Find that probability booklet, and let's just review what we talked about on Thursday when we talked about odds. Okay, Wrighton? Stay with me, man. All right? So the likelihood of an event occurring is not always expressed using probability. It can also be expressed in terms of odds in favor or odds against, right? And we talked about how this is frequently seen in the horse racing industry, basically any sports betting. Not that I would condone that, right? And it compares desired events to undesired events, okay? So it's favorable outcomes to unfavorable outcomes. Do you know? Okay, yeah, just listen. Just sit back and enjoy the radio voice of Mr. Bennett. Yeah, radio voice, not face. So it's favorable outcomes versus unfavorable outcomes. Okay, and the key idea is we did this one here about selecting students. Oh yeah, the odds in favor of selecting someone. We took out long hair, right? No hair. And the odds here would be 1 to, it was 25 kids in the class, right?
Yeah.
Right? But remember, these add up to 25 plus 1, 26 possible. Right? When you add them together, that's the total. Remember us doing that, Josh?
Yeah.
You're still having trouble finding the page. Okay. Okay, so remember, when you add them up, right, the 2 plus the 3, probability is always favorable out of total. Favorable out of the total, and the total is when you add those two together, right? They are different. You write this as 2 colon 3, you write that as 2 over 5, out of 5. Remember doing that?
We don't have it.
Okay. So here's an example, right? Remember, Anthony rolls a 20-sided die. Probability of rolling an even number. How many even numbers are there? 10. How many non-even numbers are there?
10.
Also 10, right? So 10 to 10, or we would reduce that down to 1 to 1, right? Total of 20, right? I did it again. I did it yesterday. What is the probability? Not odds. So it would be 10
Over 20.
out of 20. But the odds would be 10 to 10, or 1 to 1.
There you go.
Watch for the word probability and odds. Double check that. Robert, get rid of the earbuds, please. Okay? Oh, that was it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how far did we get? I don't quite remember here. Everyone should be looking at the question that has Ginger working as a cook in the Klondike Rib and Salmon Barbecue in Whitehorse, Yukon. Sounds delicious. Okay, so she's cooking a meal for culinary competition. She has the following bottles of spice on her spice rack. If she randomly picks a spice bottle off the rack without looking, because that doesn't make any sense, what is the probability that Ginger will choose cilantro? Oh, again, I see I've made a mistake myself here. Probability. Right? Okay, so she's picking cilantro, so that's 1 out of. It's probability. Right, Josh? Put the phone down. Stay with me, man. Stay with me. Can't concentrate when you're concentrating on your phone. Out of all of them, how many are there altogether? 12. So it's 1 out of 12. That is 2A.
That's the cilantro, right?
Cilantro. 1 out of 12. What is the probability that she will choose pepper? Probability out of a total of 12. Why 2?
There's only 2.
Because for some reason she's got 2 bottles of pepper.
Exactly.
2 out of 12. We should probably reduce that to 1 out of 6. What are the odds that she will choose paprika? 2 bottles of paprika. Odds, so that's 2 colon. How many are not paprika? Yeah, I see there, yeah. It's going to take a second to go away. I accidentally hit something. Okay, there was a 12 altogether. So how many are not paprika? 10. So 2 to 10. Or reduce that 1 to 5. D. What are the odds that Ginger will choose the correct spice if her recipe requires her secret mixture of spices, probably gotten from KFC, the Colonel? Hey, you work at KFC, don't you, right?
No?
Oh, did you? No, I thought you did.
Used to.
Yeah. So can you tell us what the secret spices are?
Huh?
Can you tell us what the secret recipe is?
It's just,
No loyalty whatsoever. Yeah, I'm just gonna tell you.
No, he's telling us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am watching.
what is it?
Pepper,
Pepper,
flour.
flour. And,
Just salt, just pepper and flour.
pepper, flour, just a little bit of salt in there.
No,
Paprika, make it a little spicy.
no. I think you're making it up. Isn't there like supposed to be 11 herbs and spices? Isn't
No,
that-
actually there is. It's just,
You probably get special flour from head office, right? Yeah, bingo. Yeah. Yeah. What are the odds that Ginger will choose the correct spice if her recipe requires a secret mixture? Secret mixture has 3 out of, no, not out of,
3:9.
3:9, 3 to 9, or 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Yeah, these aren't hard, eh? Okay, let's do the spinorama. Use the spinner shown here to answer the questions that follow. What is the probability of spinning red? How many reds are there?
3 out of,
3 red,
yeah,
total of
8.
8. Odds in favor of spinning red. 3 red, 5 non-red. The biggest problem with these questions, it seems to me, is making sure you do the right one, right? Whether it's odds or probability. So slow down, read, circle, take your time.
Are we doing a lottery thing?
Yeah, we're gonna do it right away. Probability of spinning yellow. How many yellows altogether? 2. Total of 8. Oh, I guess 2 out of 8 would really be 1 out of 4. Odds against spinning yellow. Against. Not spinning yellow. How many ways can you not spin yellow? 6 ways. How many ways can you spin yellow? 2. 3 to 1. Yeah, you really have to slow down and read.
Done.
Done like dinner.
That's
Super help.